Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we are on a very special boat. This is a Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard model. So on the back we will have a pair of 250 Mercury outboards. As you move into the cockpit, you'll notice in the back you do have the 2 lounge chairs instead of the 1 lounge pad. Interior wise, you will have a grill, a sink, and a nice storage compartment. With it being in the outboard model, where the motor used to sit on the inboard model, you'll have a nice storage compartment down below. This is going to have the optional tower. This is the wake sports tower, so you have easy access to put a wakeboarder up top and then your tubing point down below. Seating is very large in the interior. With flip back seating, you can turn this bow rider into a cockpit saloon. This will have a joystick since you have the twin outboards on the back, single SIMRAD, fusion stereo system, and the upgraded interior head compartment. The bow of this model will have a bow filler cushion, so this area here will have a cushion. That way you have a full bed here in the front. Stainless steel grab handles all the way across the front, wash down sprayer in the bow to wash down your anchor when it comes up, and a windlass anchor system. This boat is well equipped for ocean and lake use, so if you have a question about this boat, give us a call. Again, this is Quinn Seagraves with MarineMax Cumming, Georgia.